it's Laura. So today I'm going to share an update with my Child of the 80s project pan. So this is a Pantastic Ladies collab Facebook project and it was created by Ceylan. So this project is all about the 80s and I am working on 8 products at a time. So for this update I have 3 rolling out. So the first thing rolling out is for the Prompt Pat Benatar, and that was a dark or bright cheek product. For that I brought in this blush from Wet n Wild in the shade Dare to Soar. My goal was to use it 10 times and I have used it 10 times. The next thing rolling out is for Trapper Keeper, and that is cute packaging. For that I chose this Too Faced palette, the Clover palette. My goal was to use it 5 times, and I have used it 5 times, and I think all 5 times I used this shade and this shade and this shade. This green is like my favorite color in the palette. And the last thing rolling out is for Let's Get Physical, and that is a sex themed item. So for that I had the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, but not last week, but the week before I got COVID. So I didn't wear makeup during the time I was contagious, and then after I wasn't contagious anymore, I sanitized everything I could, and anything I couldn't sanitize that I had used, I threw away. So unfortunately, I threw away that mascara. I wasn't able to finish it. It is what it is. I'm not taking any chances of getting COVID again because that was not fun and I don't want to get it ever again. So better safe than sorry. Okay, so let me show you the rest of the products. So for Where's the Beef, that is a neutral product. I have this eyeliner from Laura Geller. I do wear this very often, so I definitely feel like there's a lot of progress. It's getting there. I would say maybe 2 or 3 more updates. Next is dipstick, and that's something you feel like a dipstick for buying. I put in these Biore charcoal pore strips because I hate them. I think when I started there was 5, and I think I used 2 since the last update, so there's only 2 left. Getting there. Next is Princess Bride, and that's a favorite product. I have this First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Primer. When I put it in, it was up here at the start, and I haven't really been able to make any marks because every time I look through the light, it's just like stuck to the sides. But it's definitely getting lighter. Like, it feels very light now. So I would say, if I had to guess, it's probably somewhere down here. Next is Push It, and that is a product you push. I put in this Revlon eyeliner, and my goal is to finish it. This is what it's looking like. I feel like there's some progress. I do try to wear this often, but I really don't like this eyeliner. It smudges a lot. I have found that if I take an eyeliner brush and spray it with setting spray and then set it with eyeshadow, that way it doesn't really smudge as much, but I will definitely be happy when that is done. Okay, so that means I can choose 3 new prompts. The Moonwalk. Terminator. And Betamax. Okay, let me look up what the prompts are for those. Okay, so Moonwalk is a black or white item. Betamax is something small but mighty. And Terminator is something that won't quit. Okay, so let me go choose items for those prompts and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So that was fairly simple. So for Moonwalk, a black or white item, I went with white. Well, it's black and white. So these are foil packets from Way. They're shampoo and conditioner. Then for Betamax, a small but mighty item, I chose a mini blush because we all know that blush take forever and a half to pan, even if they're just little bitty mini ones like this one. So this is NARS Orgasm. My goal is to just use it 10 times. And for Terminator, something that won't quit, I'm putting in this Milk Makeup face mask, the Watermelon Brightening Mask. I have used this face mask, I can't even tell you how many times. I've pretty much used this mask like once a week since I've gotten it, and it doesn't even really look like I used it. It hasn't gone down like at all. So this will definitely last me probably for the rest of my life. But for this project, my goal is just to use it 5 times. Okay, so for next update, I definitely think I can get the foil packet done. There's a possibility I could get this done. Also possible to get that done. I'm sure I'll get my 10 uses on the blush. Oh, I just realized I forgot to mention something. So there was the prompt for Cabbage Patch dolls, and that was something sold out. For that, I had this Urban Decay palette, and my goal was to use it 5 times, but I haven't used it at all. So hopefully I can get those 5 uses for the next update. So yeah, maybe next update I should have a few rollouts. Anyway, that's everything. I'll see you next time. Bye!